When it comes to aging gracefully and maintaining vibrant health, what you eat before bed might be just as important as what you consume during the day. Around the world, the healthiest seniors credit part of their success to mindful nighttime eating habits. While many people overlook the impact of late-day nutrition, seniors who maintain optimal health understand that the right foods before sleep can promote better rest, support muscle repair, enhance digestion, and even reduce inflammation. A restful night is essential for cellular regeneration, immune function, and cognitive clarity, especially as we age. However, not all nighttime snacks are created equal. Choosing nutrient-dense, easily digestible foods helps seniors wake up refreshed and ready to embrace the day ahead. In this video, we explore 8 specific nighttime foods that some of the world's healthiest seniors enjoy daily. Each food offers nutritional benefits tailored to support aging bodies, improve sleep quality, and contribute to overall longevity. Before we continue, if you're enjoying this content, please like, comment, and share it with your friends or health groups on social media. Doing so helps spread valuable information and supports the growth of our channel. This video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered medical advice. Always consult a healthcare professional or registered dietitian for personalized dietary guidance. Now, let's move on to the first nighttime food the world's healthiest seniors eat daily. Among the many nighttime foods consumed by the world's healthiest seniors, Greek yogurt topped with berries stands out as both a comforting and highly functional choice. It combines the creamy richness of cultured dairy with the antioxidant power of nature's most colorful fruits. Greek yogurt is especially beneficial because it is high in casein, a slow-digesting protein that supports muscle maintenance and recovery during the night. For aging adults, maintaining muscle mass is essential, not just for mobility and strength, but also for metabolic health and injury prevention. Unlike faster digesting proteins like whey, casein releases amino acids steadily, making it ideal before bedtime. Greek yogurt also offers a significant probiotic benefit. As we age, gut health becomes increasingly important, not only for digestion, but also for immune function, mental clarity, and inflammation control. The probiotics found in yogurt, particularly strains like Lactobacillus and Bifidobacterium, help maintain a healthy microbiome, which can otherwise decline with age. This is particularly helpful at night when the body enters its repair phase. The gut lining regenerates, and a balanced microbiome supports better absorption of nutrients, hormone regulation, and restful sleep. Seniors who include fermented dairy in their diet often report fewer issues with bloating, indigestion, or irregularity. Topping Greek yogurt with berries, such as blueberries, raspberries, or blackberries, further enhances the nutritional profile of this nighttime snack. These fruits are rich in powerful antioxidants, including anthocyanins and polyphenols, which combat oxidative stress, a major contributor to age-related diseases like cancer, heart disease, and cognitive decline. Many elderly individuals suffer from chronic, low-grade inflammation that silently erodes health over time. The antioxidants in berries not only counteract this inflammation, but also improve circulation, reduce joint pain, and support cognitive clarity. Moreover, berries have a low glycemic load, meaning they won't cause a spike in blood sugar, something that can disturb sleep and worsen metabolic conditions like type 2 diabetes. Instead, they offer gentle natural sugars combined with fiber, which slows digestion and provides lasting satisfaction. For many healthy seniors in longevity hotspots like Ikaria or Okinawa, Greek-style yogurt with local fruits is a soothing, nutritious staple. It satisfies a sweet craving in a healthy way, ensures balanced macronutrient intake, and supports overnight bodily functions that become more crucial with age. Sweet potatoes are more than just a comfort food. They're a nutritional powerhouse, especially when eaten in the evening by seniors who value health and longevity. In blue zone communities like Okinawa, where people frequently live past the age of 100, purple and orange sweet potatoes are a dietary staple, including during dinner and pre-sleep meals. These root vegetables offer a powerful combination of complex carbohydrates, essential vitamins, and calming minerals that support restful sleep and overnight recovery. One of the key benefits of sweet potatoes is their high content of potassium and magnesium, both of which are crucial for relaxation and muscle function. Potassium helps regulate electrolyte balance, prevent nighttime cramps, and lower blood pressure, all important factors for aging adults. Magnesium, often referred to as nature's tranquilizer, supports hundreds of enzymatic processes, including those involved in GABA production, a neurotransmitter that promotes calmness. Seniors who include sweet potatoes in their evening routine often report fewer muscle aches, better joint mobility, and more restful sleep. Sweet potatoes also have a low glycemic index, meaning they provide a slow, steady release of glucose. This helps maintain stable blood sugar levels throughout the night, reducing the risk of blood sugar dips that can cause restlessness or early morning waking. For seniors with type 2 diabetes or insulin resistance, sweet potatoes offer a way to enjoy carbohydrates without the metabolic backlash often associated with refined starches. The fiber in sweet potatoes further slows digestion and supports bowel regularity, a common concern among older adults. In addition to their carbohydrate content, sweet potatoes are rich in vitamin B6, which plays a direct role in the production of melatonin and serotonin. These neurotransmitters regulate mood and sleep cycles, helping to reduce anxiety and promote a deeper, more restorative sleep. Vitamin B6 also aids in cognitive function and supports immune health, both of which are critical as the body ages. The carotenoids in orange and purple sweet potatoes, particularly beta-carotene and anthocyanins, offer potent antioxidant protection against cellular aging, inflammation, and oxidative stress. Another often overlooked benefit of sweet potatoes is their comfort factor. Warm, lightly seasoned sweet potatoes can soothe digestion and reduce acid reflux symptoms that often interfere with sleep. Unlike spicy or greasy nighttime meals that can cause gastrointestinal discomfort, sweet potatoes are gentle on the stomach and easy to digest, especially when steamed or baked. Their natural sweetness satisfies the desire for dessert without triggering sugar spikes or cravings. Nuts may be small, but their impact on senior health, especially when consumed at night, is anything but. Among the healthiest seniors worldwide, a handful of walnuts or almonds in the evening is a common and purposeful habit. These nutrient-dense powerhouses offer a compact source of protein, healthy fats, minerals, and sleep-promoting compounds that support aging bodies in more ways than one. What makes them particularly effective for nighttime consumption is their ability to fuel the body without burdening the digestive system. Walnuts are particularly rich in alpha-linolenic acid ALA, a plant-based omega-3 fatty acid known for its anti-inflammatory properties. As inflammation is a key driver of most age-related diseases, from arthritis to Alzheimer's, regular intake of ALA helps reduce systemic inflammation and supports cognitive longevity. In addition to healthy fats, walnuts also contain melatonin, the hormone that regulates the sleep-wake cycle. Consuming them in the evening naturally boosts melatonin levels, making it easier for seniors to fall asleep and stay asleep. Almonds, on the other hand, are high in magnesium and tryptophan, two nutrients strongly linked to better sleep. Magnesium plays a role in quieting the nervous system and regulating muscle function, which can reduce nighttime restlessness or leg cramps. Tryptophan is an amino acid that the body uses to produce serotonin and melatonin. Eating almonds an hour or two before bed helps initiate the hormonal cascade that supports relaxation, drowsiness, and eventually sleep. Both walnuts and almonds also contain significant amounts of vitamin E, an antioxidant that protects brain and heart cells from oxidative damage. Vitamin E has been linked to better cognitive function in aging populations and may help delay the onset of neurodegenerative conditions like dementia. For seniors who prioritize brain health, a handful of nuts at night serves as a simple yet effective dietary intervention. The high protein and fat content of these nuts also contribute to satiety, helping prevent late-night hunger that might otherwise lead to unhealthy snacking or glucose instability. Unlike heavy or carbohydrate-laden meals, nuts digest slowly and support blood sugar balance, which is critical for metabolic health. This is especially important for older adults who may be dealing with insulin resistance, hypoglycemia, or fluctuating energy levels. Leafy greens are often praised for their daytime benefits, but when eaten in the evening, especially lightly steamed, they provide unique advantages for seniors aiming to optimize their nighttime health. Spinach, kale, chard, and other dark leafy vegetables are densely packed with calcium, magnesium, and other essential nutrients that support bone integrity, cardiovascular function, and nervous system regulation. For many of the world's healthiest seniors, incorporating a small serving of steamed greens into dinner or as a light pre-bed snack has become a trusted strategy for long-term wellness. Calcium is a key nutrient in leafy greens that plays a surprising role in the sleep process. While typically associated with bone health, calcium also supports the brain's ability to convert tryptophan into melatonin. A deficiency in calcium has been linked to sleep disturbances, particularly fragmented or light sleep. By ensuring adequate calcium intake through natural sources like spinach or kale, seniors can help promote a more consistent and restorative sleep cycle. This is especially important for older adults whose melatonin production declines with age. In addition to calcium, leafy greens are an excellent source of magnesium, one of the most commonly deficient minerals in the aging population. Magnesium helps relax muscles, quiet the nervous system, and activate GABA receptors in the brain, which are essential for calming the mind and promoting restful sleep. Seniors who experience muscle tension, restless legs, or difficulty winding down at night often benefit from the calming effects of magnesium-rich vegetables. Compared to supplements, greens offer a food-based source of magnesium that is well absorbed and gentler on the stomach. These vegetables also aid in detoxification processes that occur during the night. The liver and kidneys are highly active while the body sleeps, working to clear waste products and metabolic byproducts from the system. Leafy greens contain chlorophyll and fiber, both of which support liver detox pathways and promote regular bowel movements, helping to prevent the buildup of toxins that could otherwise interfere with immune or cognitive function. Additionally, their high content of vitamin K supports blood clotting and cardiovascular health, two essential factors for aging bodies. For seniors looking to support muscle health, hormone balance, and sleep quality in one simple snack, cottage cheese with ground flaxseed is a quietly powerful nighttime choice. This combination, enjoyed by many healthy older adults, offers a rare balance of slow-digesting protein, healthy fats, and phytonutrients that provide sustained nourishment throughout the night. It's a go-to option for those who prefer savory over sweet and are seeking a low-sugar, high-satiety evening snack that supports their body's overnight repair and recovery functions. Cottage cheese is especially high in casein protein, similar to Greek yogurt, but even more concentrated. Casein digests slowly over several hours, making it ideal for protecting against muscle catabolism during the night, a major concern as we age. Sarcopenia, or age-related muscle loss, is one of the leading causes of frailty in seniors. A protein-rich nighttime snack like cottage cheese helps ensure a steady release of amino acids, particularly leucine, which is critical for muscle maintenance and repair. This is especially beneficial for seniors who are physically active, recovering from illness, or working to maintain lean body mass as part of healthy aging. Beyond protein, cottage cheese contains tryptophan, an amino acid that the body uses to produce serotonin and melatonin, neurochemicals essential for sleep and mood regulation. Seniors who struggle with insomnia or poor quality sleep often benefit from a tryptophan-rich snack consumed an hour or two before bed. The natural dairy sugars in cottage cheese also help shuttle tryptophan across the blood-brain barrier, enhancing its sleep-supportive effects. Compared to processed desserts or starchy snacks, cottage cheese has the added advantage of being low in sugar and carbohydrates, which is ideal for managing weight and blood sugar overnight. Adding ground flaxseed to cottage cheese introduces a host of additional health benefits. Flaxseed is one of the richest plant sources of lignans, natural compounds with estrogen-like properties that help balance hormones. For postmenopausal women in particular, flaxseed can ease symptoms related to hormonal shifts, including hot flashes, sleep disturbances, and mood swings. The omega-3 fatty acids in flaxseed also support brain health, reduce inflammation, and improve cardiovascular function. Key priorities for seniors striving to extend their health span. Nighttime nutrition is a powerful, often underestimated tool in the pursuit of long-term health and wellness, especially for seniors. Across the globe, in regions where people live the longest and healthiest lives, evening food choices are anything but random. They are deliberate, nutrient-dense, and timed to support the body's natural cycles of repair, recovery, and rest. These nighttime foods are more than dietary trends. They represent a blueprint for healthy aging. Each one plays a specific role, whether it's preserving lean muscle, supporting digestion, balancing hormones, or enhancing sleep. What's striking is how these foods reflect the principles of traditional wisdom and modern science, coming together to offer simple yet profound benefits. And perhaps most importantly, these snacks are easy to prepare, accessible, and enjoyable, making them sustainable habits that can be embraced for life.